Comparatives. Comparatives, to compare two things. Higher than, lower than, more or less plus adjective plus than. Compared to a. In comparison with. Examples. The mountain is higher than the hill. This city is more vibrant than the nearby town. The river is longer than the stream. Superlatives, to describe the highest or lowest point in a group. The highest o. The lowest. Most plus adjective a. Least plus adjective. The most significant a. The least noticeable. Examples. It is the highest point in the region. This is the most beautiful beach I have ever seen. It was the least crowded day of the year. Range of phrases for high points. The peak. Summit. Top. Highest point. The most prominent. Notable. Outstanding. The maximum. Greatest. Highest. Range of phrases for low points. The lowest point. Bottom. Valley. The most minimal. Insignificant. Least noticeable. The minimum. Smallest. Lowest. Example overview sentence. The city's skyline features the tallest skyscraper in the country, making it the most impressive feature of the area. In contrast, the southern part of the region has the lowest elevation, which is often overlooked. IELTS-style questions. 1. Describe a natural landscape you have visited. You should say what the landscape was when you visited it, what the most impressive feature was, and explain why you found it memorable. Use comparative and superlative language in your answer. Sample model answers using range of comparative and superlative phrases. Question 1 Sample answer. One of the most impressive landscapes I have visited is the Huangshan Mountains in China. I visited there 2 years ago, during the spring. The highlight of the area was undoubtedly the highest peak, which is more breathtaking than any other mountain I have seen. The mountain's steep cliffs and unique rock formations make it the most remarkable natural feature in the region. Compared to the surrounding hills, the peak is much taller and more striking. I found the scenery to be absolutely unforgettable, because of its most dramatic views and most peaceful atmosphere. 2. Describe a geographical feature, such as a mountain, river, or valley. You should say what the feature is, its highest or lowest point, how it compares to other features in the area, and explain why it is significant. Question 2 Sample answer. The Grand Canyon is one of the most famous geological features in the United States. Its deepest point is more than a mile below the rim, making it the lowest point in the region. The canyon is more expansive than any other canyon in North America, and the most breathtaking in terms of scale and natural beauty. Its highest cliffs offer the most spectacular views, which attract millions of visitors each year. The canyon's most remarkable aspect is its vibrant, layered rock formations, which tell a story of millions of years of geological history.